So how should one prepare for SNAP 2022? Here's some tips that will help you ace the exam. Tip number 1, practice as many mocks as you can, because SNAP is a time-based exam, and the more you time yourself while giving the mock papers, the better you will understand your state of preparation. Number 2, practice questions from a diverse range and don't stick to what you know and what you're comfortable with, because the more you walk into uncharted territory, the greater chances of you acing what you don't already know. Tip number 3, the only way you can develop speed and accuracy is practice. Practice more from the previous year's SNAP question papers. But remember, SNAP changed its pattern in 2020, so please practice only papers from then to understand what kind of questions you may expect and what is the paper format going to be like. Tip number 4, prepare a timeline and stick to it. The more organized you are while your preparation, the less you will feel anxious on the D-Day. Step number 5, don't compare your journey with that of peers around you. You may feel like you're far behind or too ahead or perplexed and confused, but remember, your journey and your learnings are your own, and nobody else and their preparation is going to matter when you actually make it to your dream institute. For further help, mentoring, or any questions that you may have, please reach out to the numbers in the description box below or click on the link in the bio for further information. Wish you all the very best. Bye-bye.